In our last classes, in IPv4, you learn completely about the EHRP. EHRP is an enhanced interior gateway routing protocol, which is a Cisco proprietary protocol until 2013, but now standardized. EHRP is going to advertise the routes within the same autonomous system. And the maximum hops that the EHRP is going to support is 255. So in router 2, 3, router 1, 2, and 3, they must be advertised all their networks in the same autonomous system called as EHRP. We use 1. So it supports the autonomous systems from 1 to 65,535. But now you are using with IPv6. Now if I'm going for router 1, go to config T. If you execute the command show IPv6 protocols, so no routing protocol has been configured. And IPv6 routing protocol is connected ND. So no protocols are being configured. Remember, if I'm going for config T, if you want to enable this is a very important command to configure routing. You use the command IPv6 unicast. Unicast. What is another unicast routing? Yes or no?
Okay.
IPv6 unicast routing. So if I'm going for in the router, you see in IPv4, you type router EHRP, then you define the autonomous system. But whereas if I'm going for the IPv6, I need to define IPv6 router EHRP1. If you don't define IPv6, it takes as IPv4.
IPv4.
If I don't type the IPv6, it will take as in the IPv4. Now you type IPv6 router EHRP1. Now you see you are in RTR. When you are using IPv6, you get RTR. If you are going for IPv4, you get router. And by seeing the modes also, you can differentiate by default. You are there in IPv6 EHRP1. So you don't have an option like advertising the network. Specifically, when you are using dynamic routing protocol in IPv6, you have to enable the protocol on the interface level. I'll explain you that. You need to define the network -ID. You have to go for your EHRP router ID. The next command, a router ID. I will go with I'm taking it as IPv4. For example, I'm taking 1111, and you must give the command no shutdown. Let's see. So there are some 3 commands are there. I have to go for IPv6 router EHRP1, and it's mandatory that you must configure your router ID. A router ID is an ID for the router. If you don't assign router ID, it will take the link local addresses by default. And there is a command called no shutdown. Then what about advertising the networks, sir? Advertising the networks is not done in router mode. I exit, I go to your configuration mode. Then I'm going for interface serial 0 by 1 by 0 in the interface level. What the autonomous system that we are using is EHRP1. So I have to enable on interface level. How? IPv6 type EHRP1. Now interface serial 0 by 1 by 1. Also IPv6 EHRP1. And also I have interface giga 0 by 0 by 0. I use the command IPv6 EHRP1. All advertising is done. Then I give end. This is in the case of router 1. This is the case of in your router 1. You go to your router mode, by using IPv6 router EAGRP1, you must define the router ID. Router ID is an ID for the router. A router which has the highest router ID will advertise the networks first.
ఇప్పుడు router ID ఇది దేనికి సార్ ఇది 1111
This is the main. Router ID is an ID for the router. Routers will identify with each other by using router ID. Now, I am going for enable config T. I am there in router 2. I must execute the command IPv6 unicast routing.
unicast routing IPv6 router EAGRP1.
For example, IPv6, say router EAGRP1.
1
Then you must define the router ID. So the command is EAGRP router ID. If I use question mark, you can
222
give any number. So for example, as I told you, we give 2.2.2.2. Then also you must give the command no shutdown. Sometimes the protocol end can enter into shutdown mode. So it is better that you must give no shutdown in the IPv6. It is different from IPv4. Then I use AND. If I'm going for config T, in router 2, I have some 3 interfaces are there. One is interface serial 0 by 1 by 0. Then in the interface level, we have to enable the protocol, as I told you. So we have like an IPv6
EAGRP1.
Now you see the neighbor is urgencies are happening. The neighbor is it's taken from the FE80, which is a link local address by default. Interface serial 0 by 2 by 0. Also we have the IPv6 EAGRP1. Interface giga 000. Also I'm giving IPv6 EAGRP1. Now this router ID is 111. This router is 222. This router 1, you advertise your giga 000 network. So router 2 is going to advertise at first to router 1 because why? It has the highest router ID.
అది మన ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు సార్ ఐడి ఎనీ నెంబర్
You can give any number, yes. No problem.
till how much sir
There is,
255 is the last
no. It's not. It's like I'm there in router 3. Go to enable config T. The command is
IPv6 unicast
IPv6
unicast routing
unicast routing.
IPv6 router EAGRP1
IPv6 router EAGRP1. Then EAGRP.
EAGRP router ID 3.3.3.3
For 222, I'm using for router 2. For router 3,
yes,
I'm
sir. 3.3. No shutdown.
No shutdown.
No exit.
Then I go back to your interface giga
Interface mode
0, for example.
0 by 0.
Interface.
IPv6 EAGRP1. Interface serial 0 by 1 by 1.
Okay.
IPv6 EAGRP1.
And another serial is 2 by 0. IPv6 EAGRP1. Then end. That's it.
ఇక్కడ నెట్వర్క్ ఏమి ఇయ్యం కదా సార్ రౌటింగ్ ప్రోటోకాల్ లో నెట్వర్క్ ఐడీలు వాటితో ఏం అవసరం లేదు
No, it's not required. We no need to give the